Hey everybody, welcome back. It is August week 3, so we're going to jump right in. You can ignore this first page as you always do. Your opening activity, a little bit less of a fun one, more of a let's get them into the content as quickly as possible today. So we are jumping right in. You're going to write this on the board or you can just say it. And it is this sentence: what is something hard can become something good when blank. Right? Something hard can become something good when blank. When what happens? When something, and so you're going to fill in the blanks. You're going to have them come up with as many ideas of when something hard can be something good, right? Something hard can become something good when someone helps you. Something hard can become something good when you learn something. Something hard can become something good when you get stronger, when you make a new friend, when you understand someone better, when you learn to trust God. The list goes on and on. There's some examples here, the ones that I just said, and kids can come up with more. The idea is just let them be creative. Let them think about this and just get them thinking about this idea before we get into it in the story as well. You've got your recap activity. This just is the same as it always is. This just tells you exactly how to run these review questions, which are your true or false, multiple choice, gospel connection questions, and Bible hunt, as they always are. So use those. Then you've got your application activity page, which this is just a detailed way of how exactly to run this. These are designed to be, for the most part, self-navigated for the kids. So you should just be able to hand these out. These are designed to help them think through and apply the things that we're talking about in a more personal way, because not every kid wants to speak up in class. But when we're asking a lot of the same questions on these, they can kind of think through and answer those questions on themselves. So if they want to be involved but don't want to be vocal, this is one of the best ways to let them do both of those things. So that's why we kind of do some of those. Then we've got your discussion questions. If you use them, they are here as they always are. And then wrapping up with a prayer activity. Basically, circle up your kids and ask them to think of one thing that people might need to trust God with, right? When it comes to life being hard or things being confusing, sometimes we just need to trust that God will get us through it, that He has a plan, that He's going to move us on to the next thing. So what are some things that they might need to trust God with, or someone else, or a hypothetical, someone might need to trust God in these things. So think about those things, have them pray, have them say them, and then gather together and just pray over those things together, that God would give you courage and strength to trust God in those things. So, all right, that's what I got. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you next time.